So students, today we are going to do pictograph, in which we will use one symbol for many objects. Okay. Earlier you have learned pictograph for one symbol for one object only. Now let's see what's the need. Now here you can see a PT teacher has made a pictograph for the number of balls in the school store. Students, as you know, this is the title of the pictograph, which gives us the information what is being represented in the pictograph. Okay, and further the next very important point is key. Here one circle represents one ball. So if you count, the number of footballs are 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Number of tennis balls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Number of cricket balls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16. And number of basketballs are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now you can see here the number of cricket balls and footballs are too many. Okay, they are just filling the pictograph. So if you want to get the information just looking into the pictograph, it's becoming a little difficult. Now we can sort out this problem the way you can see that all the numbers are even. Okay, so they must be coming in the table of 2. So in the second case, what the teacher has done, for the same information he has drawn a different pictograph. Okay, with the same title, number of balls in the school store, but different key. Instead of one key representing one ball, he has used one key representing 2 balls. Now you can easily see there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 circles. So the number of balls will be 6 2s are 12. Tennis ball 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. So 4 2s are 8 tennis balls. For cricket ball 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 circles. So 8 2s are 16. For basketball 1, 2 and 3 2s are 6 basketballs will be there. Now you can compare the two pictographs. Okay, now why do we make pictograph? We make pictograph in order to make the representation of the data or information in the easiest possible way. Okay, so out of the two, this one is much easier to read. So that is why instead of this key, we will use this key. Okay, otherwise the information is totally same. There is no such change. So now let's do the questions related to this. How many cricket balls were there? Now from the second pictograph only we will do all this. Now you can see there were 8 circles. So there will be 8 into 2, 16 cricket balls. Okay. So we can write here 16. Now let's move to the next part. How many more footballs than basketballs? Okay. Now there are 6 circles for footballs and 3 circles for basketballs. How many more circles are there? 6 minus 3, 3. Okay, 6 minus 3, 3 more circles. So therefore there are 3 multiplied by 2, that is 6 more footballs than basketballs. Now C part, there are 8 of which type of balls? Okay, you want to have 8 total number of balls. Now here you can see, in this case only we are getting 8. Okay, how? 4 circles are there, so 4 into 2 is 8. Okay, so these are tennis balls. So you will mention here 8 balls means 8 divided by 2, that is the other way you can do that. 4, so there are 8 tennis balls. Okay, how many balls are there all together? So for that, first of all, you will count the number of circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21. So 21 circles will give us 21 multiplied by 2, that is 42 balls all together. Okay.